part 2 wife of cruise night. Try again. Well, this is a traditional cruise night. So I'll show you what a cruise night looks like now in Santa Paula. What's up, Gibby? How you doing, man? Hang out real quick, man. Get some dinner. Yeah. Gibby's out here all the time out here. No, I'll cruise down there. Out here moving cars. It's called something else now. It's called Fermentation House. But usually there's some music and stuff happening on a little bit later on going down there. This guy's having a little bit of struggle right now. Can't turn that thing very well. Turn it. Oh, Jiminy.
He just needs to take it home.
Okay. Stop. It's alright. It's alright. We ain't cruising. Okay. We're gonna go around. So this is a little bit more of what cruise night is like.
I put my sunglasses on so nobody sees me.
Okay.
Nobody recognizes me.
Everything's lined up out here. Let's see if there's a car we can park.
Right next to Gibby.
Look at C10 guys park up in there. See, everybody gets out here early. Girls cruising. Yeah, all the spots usually here downtown are. Yeah, we'll see if we can find something over here. Here, there's a spot. Should I park next to that? That's the C10.
That's fine.
Cruise night, baby. Lolo's out. Go take a little cruise. Go take a little putt. All right, so they had vendors set up in that spot, so we're gonna move. Plus, this thing like, there's a lot of nice cars on Main Street. I gotta go park it down one of these side streets or something.
I'll park it someplace.
Okay. Now look at all these cars. Like, well, that one mine fits in with that one right there. There's a lot of nice cars out here. This shit goes on forever. Nice Cadillac right there. Saw this out at the 4th of July show. Should I go park in that parking lot? Oh, maybe I could just park right down there. Huh? Park over there. Yeah, I'll park over here. Alright, I'll park over here in this corner. This is more my street. So this is a normal bike cruise night. This is what we're used to cruise night. Last one they canceled because it was 4th of July. But the traditional cruise night where they shut down between 8th Street and all the way down to 10th Street, a couple blocks, is blocked off. So you just get cars lining up all around. You can see everywhere of all kinds of all sorts. It's like what, 4:30?
Yeah.
4:30, a few spots remain. Some people come out here and park their car like during the day when the street is open. They park their regular car and then they will just come later on and replace it with their old car. So it's a thing. Show you some favorites. Sometimes see a lot of the same out here, but it's still fun. 805 C10 Club is going to be out at the Throwdown. This is a nice red. I always like red, but look at the dish. Look at the wheels on this thing, man. What are these, 26s probably? 24. 24, man, but the offset on them is crazy.
Tire that size?
Yeah, it's nice. It's clean, just single color, red, 805 C10 Club. Another one of theirs here as well. Yeah, these guys are gonna be out at the Throwdown August 23rd as well. They have like a bunch of trucks, Blazers, C10s that will be out on display at the Throwdown, and we'll be doing the motorcycles. All right, we're gonna go get something to eat before it gets crazy down here. Pizza Man Dan's or Moo Poo Grill. Kids always want pizza. What do you want to eat?
I want French fries.
Huh?
I want French fries.
They want potato wedges, French fries. Recording.
Oh.
Dad, I want French fries.
Okay.
And I want pizza.
All right, pizza then. All right, I was looking for some wings, but whatever.
Thank you. What are you trying to do?
Oh man, I'm so fat right now. So you full?
I didn't eat like you did.
I just kept going.
I had a slice of pizza.
2 slices
and like
of pizza.
2 wings.
A lot of wings. Full. Now we're cruising. Now we go check out the car. Which one do you like? Which one's your favorite so far, Hannah? Do you see one that you like? Do you see one that you like? You like that one, Grace?
I'm driving.
You like that one? A Firebird? That one's called a Firebird.
Dad, I'm driving that thing.
You want to drive in that one? Ask him if you can drive it. He's on the other side. Ask him.
No.
You like that one, Hannah? You don't touch it, okay? I like that one, Grace.
The green one?
Yeah, that was pretty nice. That's a Buick LeSabre convertible. See, Hannah? Here, hold it. You want to hold it? Do not drop it. Hold it this way, like this. There you go. Hold it. You got it? There you go. Now show Dad. What up? Now you do it. Ready? Say, what up? No, hit the switch. Hit the switch. No, hit the switch. Hit it. 3-wheel motion. Kenny, this is all the perspective of a kid. It was all shaky. See what you can do with it. Kenny! So bad. That's hilarious. We saw you. She goes, "Is that Kenny?" And I said your name twice, and I know you kind of heard it. Yeah. And I was watching. I'm like, I'm gonna see how many times I can get away with it. That's hilarious. What are you doing, man?
Collecting content.
Right on, man.
I got the drone too, so I can make a drone.
Oh, sweet,
shop
dude.
through here.
Yeah, I was actually just telling the wife, man, that maybe what you and I can do next time. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring the truck out, and I'm just gonna say, hey, TR is gonna have the 65 C10 out. Maybe me and you can park next to each other, and then we can maybe walk around. I'll talk to some of these guys with their cars, some YouTube content and stuff. You know, come out here and do a little something with it, you know? I think that'd be kind of cool, man. Okay, we'll do that. Next month I won't maybe I won't bring the whole clan for that one. I gotta work a little bit more with that one then. All right, man. I'll see you later, dude. That was Nutsack Cutaway Kenny. Kenny's out here just collecting content, baby. Collecting content, man. No, I'm gonna hold it. Huh? Throw down, yeah, baby. TR will be there August 23rd. August 23rd. Ventura County Fairgrounds. Blazer, no top. Impala. Got the gold hydros over here. Cutlasses. Which one's your favorite? Do you see another one you like? Impala? That's a good choice.
I want to see it.
Don't touch it. You can look at it. Don't touch it. Pretty nice. What color is it in there?
Red.
Huh?
Red.
Black in there. Okay, then get out.
Get out. There.
Hey, what's up, man? How you doing? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. No, I'm I changed it up, man. Changed it up. What are you shooting with?
Sony.
I don't know, man. How's everything?
Good.
Yeah? Stay busy?
No. No.
All right. Pachuco's. Here's a rundown. Pachuco's Peace, Unity, and Respect Car and Bike Show. August 10th, 10 a.m. to 3, Glen City Elementary, 141 South Steckel. Vendors, cars, bikes. I think we may pull up. What do you think, wife?
I think you're gonna pull up because your wife doesn't get to go anywhere
Yeah, you can go. You can go to this one.
without the kids.
Oh, we got to bring the kids. Bring the kids, huh? You girls want to go to this?
So you're
The
gonna
next car show?
drive the truck. You're gonna
Yeah,
drive
we'll drive the
family
truck.
car.
Yeah, the family car. This one caught my attention when we were walking down just because of the front end. Either just like an old wagon, but I always appreciate the Droz. But the front end of this just caught my attention. Different. Folks. Huh. Unique. Oh, you're fine. Huh. Always like the Droz too. Something's lifted on Droz. Gold knockoff. Yeah, that front end caught my attention. Obviously, some custom-made stuff, but front end just drew me in to want to look at the rest of it.
How you doing, big guy?
What's up, man? How are you?
Hi, girl.
Wanted to come and say what's up as we're walking by, man. Car's looking good. Bring the truck, though.
It's not here. It's not old enough.
Oh, that's a nice red one, too. My truck's good enough for that. Mine's just got a little more rusty on it. Our options when we leave out of here are roll right down the gut of it, which I would like to do because it's cruise night, but it looks like they have the barricades up over there, so you can't, doesn't look like you can get out right now. They don't look really quite movable, so I think we're gonna have to just go out the short way, which is off that way, and when we're ready to leave. Yeah. So good cruise night, Santa Paula, every first Friday. When did he say it goes through now? September
Yeah.
or October?
October?
October, I think he said. Dope, huh?
Way back, dude. I personally know the guy.
Yeah,
He
I
did
saw
everything
it.
but the interior
I
himself.
saw it over there at the 4th of July fair, man.
He's had it, he had it last year, 4th of July downtown. He's had it in the Oxnard Channel Islands Harbor a couple times. He's won a couple awards.
As he should. It's nice.
yeah.
I saw the shirt. I had to go represent.
Oh,
make
yeah.
sure Danny
Yep.
got some love.
Yeah.
Yep, City of Santa Paula.
Got mine right here.
Always
top two.
represented,
Got mine
man.
too. So we got the Life House out.
Gotta have this nice one parked next to my piece of crap. Huh? I put it in the bottom. All right, back to the truck. Santa Paula Cruise Night, first Friday of every month, May through October. Guys, what's out of here? We out of here. Little doggy. This is the cool part.
So you're gonna go forward or you're gonna go left?
No, I can go out right there, right?
It looks like it's blocked.
Yeah, but they have somebody in there to probably be able to back out, so I can.
Okay, we're about to go get
Yeah,
fancy.
go enjoy. See you later. Bye.
Because this is where we have to
Because this is where we're going out.
Because we have to go forward to exit. Yeah.
Right here, in and out. And now you go home. Cool cruise night.
Yay!
Yay, did you girls have fun?
Yay!
Mom, did you have fun?
I did. Okay, Mom, get a massage tonight.
I was hoping for one. All right, you already know. Like, comment, subscribe, tell somebody, notification bell. What else are you supposed to tell people on YouTube, Aaron?
Kiss my ass.
Kiss my ass, my wife says.
Suck my dick.
And suck my dick, I guess. I guess that's what you're supposed to tell people to get you to watch you, or get you guys to watch.
Peace, love, and happiness.
All right.
Three.
Later.
I did it too.